Welcome, landlords, to the picturesque state of Utah, where the beauty of the landscape comes with its own set of challenges, especially during the winter months. Today, we'll explore a guide to help you navigate maintenance requests, ensuring both tenant satisfaction and property longevity, even in the face of challenging weather conditions. Establish clear communication channels. Communication is key, especially during winter. Have reliable channels for maintenance requests, whether it's an online portal, email, or a dedicated phone line. Encourage tenants to report even minor concerns promptly to prevent them from becoming major issues. Prioritize urgent repairs. Winter weather can turn small problems into disasters. Categorize and prioritize maintenance requests, giving top priority to urgent repairs that impact safety or habitability. Think heating failures, burst pipes, or roof leaks. Implement a preventive maintenance schedule. Proactive property management is your secret weapon. Develop a preventive maintenance schedule with regular inspections and tune-ups for crucial systems. Identify and address potential issues before they become emergencies. Partner with reliable contractors. Build a network of trustworthy contractors. In Utah's unpredictable winter, having responsive professionals for snow removal, heating issues, or icy walkways is crucial. Regularly assess and update your contractor list for peak winter readiness. Communicate expectations with tenants. Education is empowerment. Teach tenants their responsibilities in winter maintenance, providing guidelines for preventing common issues. Clear communication sets expectations and reduces preventable maintenance requests. Now, as you navigate these challenges, consider a partner like Wolfnest Property Management. Understanding the unique challenges of Utah's winter, our experienced team is equipped to handle maintenance requests promptly and efficiently. In Salt Lake City, we stand out as a leading property management company, committed to proactive management and responsive service. In conclusion, tackling maintenance requests during challenging weather requires a proactive approach, clear communication, and reliable partnerships. By implementing these tips, landlords can confidently navigate Utah's winter, ensuring their rental properties remain safe and comfortable for tenants. Discover the peace of mind that comes with partnering with Wolfnest for all your property management needs in Utah.